Hello everyone, it's Elle from gmailfiend once again, and for this video I'll be showing you how to toggle the confidential mode here on Gmail. So what you have to do is of course access your Gmail inbox first, and once you have done that, then you will be able to follow the steps of this tutorial. So what you have to do next is to click compose, so it's over here, and maximize that, and let's just make a simple email. So this tutorial is useful especially if you want to protect sensitive information and you don't want unauthorized access for other people. So what you have to do is to click the padlock button over here, so it says toggle confidential mode. So once you click that, then a pop-up will show up. So as you can see over here, it says that recipients won't have the option to forward, copy, print, or download this email. So you may set an expiration date, so it may be a day, 1 week, 1 month, 3 months, and 5 years. So let's just try 1 week. And you can either require a passcode or not. So in this case, let's just choose no SMS passcode. So let's click save. And yes, there you go. So let's try to send it to myself. So as you can see over here, this is the email. So yes, that's it for this video. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I hope you tune in for more.